output.
I will be discussing the technology combine harvester. So what is the purpose of combine harvester? The combine, short for combine harvester, is an essential and complex machine designed for efficient harvesting of mass quantities of grain. Modern combines can cut a swath through a field more than 40 feet wide. The name comes from combining three essential harvest functions: reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single process. Combine harvesters are one of the most economically important labor-saving inventions, significantly reducing the fraction of the population engaged in agriculture.
Before the inventions of the modern combine machines, farmers had to manually cut down the crops with a long-handled cutting tool known as a scythe. The following are the advantages of using combine harvester. First, it reduces the time and labor cost significantly. Farmers can prepare the field for next crop in a short period of time. The quality of grains harvested remains best as it is not damaged by only natural and biological activity. Farmers get premium price of the grain harvested at appropriate time by combine machine.
Technology can be characterized as the substances and irrelevant made by the play of the physical exertion. In order to realize the value in this usage, technology refers to devices and machines which will be applied to solve real-world issues.
It was invented year 1835 of Hiram Moore, the first combine harvester which is capable of reaping, threshing, and winnowing cereal grain.
Combine harvester. Inside the combine harvester, there's an awful lot going on inside a combine harvester. Gears, blades, augers, screws that move cuts crops, conveyors, belts, levers, and wheels. So I've vastly simplified everything to make it easier to follow. Roughly speaking, here's how a combine harvester works. Cereal crops. Cereal crops are gathered in by the header at the front, which has a pair of sharp pincers called crop dividers at either end. Generally speaking, the wider the header, the faster and more efficiently a harvester can cut a field. Different headers are used for cutting different crops. The header is often hydraulically powered, can be raised, lowered, and angled in different ways from the cab. The header can be removed and towed behind the harvester lengthwise so it can fit down narrow lanes. Number 2. A slowly rotating wheel can called reel or pick up reel pushes the crops down toward the cutter. The reel has horizontal bars called bats and vertical teeth or tines to grip the plant stalks. Number 3. The cutter bar runs to the entire length of the header underneath reel. Its teeth, sometimes called mowing fingers, open and close repeatedly to cut off the crops at their base, a bit like a giant electric hedge cutter whipping along the ground level. Number 4. Behind the cutter bar, the cut crops and feed toward the center by spinning augers, screws, and travel up a conveyor to the processing mechanism inside the main part of the combine. Number 5. The threshing drum beats the cut crops to break and shake the grains away from their stalks. Number 6. The grains fall through sieves into a collecting tank below. Number 7. The unwanted material, chaff and stalks passes along conveyors called straw walkers toward the back of the machine. More grain falls through into the tank. Number 8. When the grain tank is full, a tractor with the trailer on the back pulls alongside the combine. The grain is carried up from the tank by an elevator and shoots up a side pipe, sometimes called unloader, into the trailer. Number 9. The unwanted stalks and chaff tumble from the back of the machine. Some combines have a rotating spreader mechanism that throws the straw over the wide area. Sometimes the straw is balled up by a baling machine and used for animal bedding. Have combine harvester always look like this? Not exactly. Here's a drawing of a Glenner harvester from the 1930s, which I've colored and simplified into 4 basic parts. At the front of the machine, on the right, we have the reel or the red that draws the crops in. Next, we have the cutter unit or orange, including the scythe or blue that chops the crops. Number 3. Once the crops are cut, they're smashed apart and the thresher or yellow. Once the crops are cut, they're smashed apart in the thresher or yellow. Number 4. All that remains is to split the wet from the unwanted stalks and chaff in the separator unit or green.
We all know that a single technology was made to make our life easier and more convenient. As for those magnificent farmers who provide 100 and 1,000 kilos of rice grains on the market for us to have rice in our every meal, Hiram Moore came up with an invention called combine harvester for the farmers to make their job less hard. Economically, the invention of combine harvester was the most important in our society as of today, simply because it reduces the number of people engaged in agriculture significantly. The product itself can do a lot of harvesting process in just one go, which is important because it reduces the time and effort of farmers. Unlike before, the farmers don't need to invest that much energy and time just to do the harvesting process one by one, because right now, with the help of combine harvester, the process of harvesting will be much more easy and convenient.
So, how the community use it? Thankfully, modern combine harvester to do the whole job automatically. You simply drive them through a field of crops and they cut, thresh, and clean the grains all by themselves, using rotating blades, wheels, sieves, and elevator. So, ibig po sabihin, sa tulong po ngayon ng ating modernong sasakyan na tinatawag na combine harvester, mas napapamadali po ang pagtatrabaho ng ating mga magsasaka. Dahil po, dati, nagkakaroon po tayo ng matagalang proseso kung paano anihin ang mga palay. Ngayon po, mas mapapamadali po sa pamamagitan po ng combine harvester. Ngayon po, ang ating mga magsasaka ay mas nakakaprovide ng mas marami pang mga palay, lalo na po ngayong tag-init. At mas
lalo na po ngayon sa ating ekonomiya.
Also, combined harvester is one of the important machines used for paddy harvest. It harvests the crop, threshes, and cleans the grain from chaff. As it combines the activities of harvesting and winnowing, it is known as combined harvester. Use of combined harvester helps in timely harvest of paddy. It takes less time and helps the farmers to tackle the peak time labor shortage. Further, the farmers are able to sow the second crop without much delay. Their dependency on laborers has also declined.
The combine harvester is a versatile machine designed to efficiently harvest a variety of grain crops. Combine harvesters are one of the most economically important labor-saving inventions, significantly reducing the fraction of the population engaged in agriculture. Using the harvester, it eliminates grain loss during manual cutting of the crop, tying up the crop for carrying, transporting the harvest, and from incomplete threshing. Time saving in the field, reduced time to market, cleaner grain, and reduced net cost.
How life improved using this kind of technology. Reaping, threshing, winnowing. Combining all these three operations into one led to the invention of the combine harvester, simply known as the combine. Considered one of the most important inventions in agriculture, the combine significantly reduced manpower and sped up the harvesting.
Improve accuracy of harvest quantity measurements. The system detects the throw period and timing corrects of the harvest, the quantity based on the period. The engine speeds varies depending the workload. While this change the throw rise speed and therefore change the impact force detected by the sensor is a correction performed to maintain accuracy.